Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to a new video. In this time, you are going to watch and listen a movie about eating right. Let's start.
Mommy, I think we should pick something healthier. Why should you eat healthy foods? Food is fuel for your body. When you eat, your digestive system breaks food down and takes in nutrients. Your body needs nutrients to grow and stay healthy. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are high in calcium, which is a nutrient your body needs to build strong bones. Vegetables, nuts, and beans have nutrients that help keep eyes, skin, and hair healthy. Some foods are not as nutritious or healthy as others. What is junk food? Junk food is food that has few nutrients and is high in fat, sugar, or salt. Foods that are high in sugar can change your mood or how you feel. After eating sugary snacks, you might feel really hyper and have too much energy. But your mood can change quickly and you can get really tired or grumpy. Eating too many foods that are high in fat and salt can cause health problems later on. You should avoid junk food when you can and eat healthier foods instead. This picture reminds us how much to eat from the different food groups and keep up a balanced diet. How can you choose a healthy breakfast? After you wake up, your body needs fuel to begin the day. That's why people say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Donuts and pastries are high in fat and sugar, and some cereals have a lot of sugar too. Bacon, sausage, and hash browns are greasy and have a lot of fat. They're not the healthiest way to start your day. Instead, you could eat whole wheat toast or multigrain bagels, which have a lot of fiber. You can have fruit with yogurt, which is more nutritious than a donut. Eating a healthy breakfast can give you enough energy and keep you full until lunch. How can you choose a healthy lunch? Let's see. Today there's pizza, hamburgers, or salad with grilled chicken. I like pizza and hamburgers too, Moby, but they're pretty greasy. They have a lot of fat and salt. Salad has fresh vegetables, which are nutritious. Plus, chicken is lean, so it doesn't have a lot of fat. That's the healthiest choice. When you can, choose foods with fresh fruits and vegetables. And whole grain breads instead of white bread. Whole grain breads are darker and they have more nutrients. Fruits are high in vitamins, which your body uses to stay healthy. I think you're supposed to peel that first, Moby. Sometimes it can be hard to find the healthiest choice. Potato chips and corn chips are fried, so they're high in salt and fat. These chips are baked, so they're lower in fat, but they're still a processed food and high in sodium. I'm gonna get the unsalted mixed nuts. Nuts have protein, which your body needs to build muscles. What should we drink? Juices might seem healthy, but sometimes they can have a lot of added sugar. The sports drink sounds like a good choice, but it has weird stuff in the ingredients. The good rule is if you can't pronounce it, then it's probably not the healthiest choice to eat or drink. Milk is nutritious, but chocolate and strawberry milk have a ton of sugar. The healthiest choice is probably plain low-fat milk or water. Your body needs healthy food to stay healthy, so attention to what you eat. Nice save, Moby.